Hello friends and welcome to my channel Tea Talk Travel, and I sincerely hope you all are living a fantastic life. And I'm bringing to you one more vlog. Actually, I was traveling from Guwahati to Tezpur, and on the way there is something which caught my attention. এনেকুৱা এটা বস্তু এটা দেখা পালো যেটা মোৰ মানে দৃষ্টি আকৰ্ষণ কৰিলে. Today's video is about a tree, a special tree. I don't know the name of the tree, but that's not so important. What is more important is that this tree is standing tall in the middle of a highway, an Asian highway. If you have traveled from Guwahati to Upper Assam via Nagaon, then you must have passed by it. We are felling so many trees every day to make way for development. But surprisingly, this tree, which is at Purani Gudam in Nagaon district of Assam, is the home to 6 to 7 families of the endangered adjutant stork. Purani Gudam is a well-known place across the country because the largest shivling in the form of a temple is here, the Mahamrityunjay temple. Just a few hundred meters from the road leading to the Mahamrityunjay temple is this tree standing as a testimony to the remnants of humanity for other creations of Mother Nature. This tree is a living example and a learning lesson for us all to know how important each action is in our endeavor to conservation of nature. Salute to those who contributed to the protection of this lonely tree. This tree is not just providing shelter to a family of storks, it is also giving us a lesson. Sustainable development is attainable. We need to learn to coexist with nature because we are just a part of it. I do hope that I would get to see this tree every time I cross this place. Hope you liked today's video. If you liked it and if you agree to what I said in the video, then do hit that like button and also do subscribe to my channel if you like watching my videos. Thank you for watching till here. Until we meet in another video.